hell day is it today? Monday the 10th. Let's have a look back here. Very windy and good afternoon, this is Dwayne. It's Monday the 10th of October. We're taking a cruise through Fort Nelson. We had a windstorm last night. Let's have a look at all these beautiful little flags here. Not sure how many we got today. We're gonna go through a drive through Fort Nelson and have a look at all the damage from the wind. You notice there's no leaves in these trees anymore. We had a big storm last night. Fort Nelson. Hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving with your family, friends, or a meal. There's some signs that are knocked down. We're driving on 50th Avenue North, Fort Nelson. Oh no. Yes. There we go. Here's a sign, got knocked over last night. Evidence of the big storm. These politicians' signs are all laying down today. My gimbal battery went dead in the gimbal. Someone's gonna have to get out here and fix these signs here. Look at them all. No leaves. Look at these signs. Lots of leaves flowing. It's plus 13 today, Fort Nelson. Gas is 205.9 today. Fort Nelson, October 10th. It went up 10 cents in the last couple days. Not sure why. these leaves. Look at these leaves flying in front of us down the road. To all those shut-ins, can't make it out. Hope you enjoy this video. We are going 50th Avenue South through Fort Nelson. Lots of leaves, man. Cool time of year. Sign there got knocked over. Someone's going to work here. Oh, look at those leaves. Wow. We are at Fort Nelson IGA. You always get a deal here. Busy place today. Where's my dog? Oh yeah, he's still here. Oh, there's a cops. Have to hide this sign here. I mean my camera. Okay, it's gone. Driving through Fort Nelson. It's plus 17 now. Very windy. October the 10th. Oh, one leaf here. These trees. We planted these trees. I guess we didn't do a very good job, did we? Signs laying all on the ground. Another sign there. Laying down. It's a heavy duty sign. Must have been a lot of wind last night. There's some more signs laying down. And our Mac fell over. More signs over here. Oh, Fraser. I'm not sure about who's going to get in an election this year, but I just did a little research of this vaccines. In Florida, they're banning it because it's given a lot of people between 18 and 49. It's messing with their hearts. So in Florida, they've banned that vaccine. So it's very important to make sure you know who you vote for, who's for it, and who's against it. Natural immunity of our own body. The body's a wonderful thing. I believe the vaccines brought on by these politicians are not really going to save the world. Your choice. Ed's Building Supplies, beautiful building there. Boston Pizza, wonderful place to eat there. They have the best food. A local supporter of slow pitch. A&W, for those that can't cook. Come on down for a quick burger. They have coupons in the mail. Post office, you get a good deal at A&W. We're on the Alaska Highway. Some people call it the Alcan. Alaska Canada Road. Americans mostly call it the Alcan, but the people that live here call it the Alaska Highway because it goes to Alaska. We got all the boys who were at Timmy's. The boys holding down the fort. We're heading her out. I'm traveling with a companion today. Where is he? Oh, there he is. There he is. Good little hound dog. There he is. There he is, little puppy. Hey, puppy. Nice puppy. Yeah. We're gonna be getting snow soon. The leaves are gone. It's October 10th today. Another 6 days is a big day. October 16th. We're traveling down to Musqueam Hill. Might go check out cops. I think that was the cops. I had to put the phone down. For the what's going on down here? Up the river, Musqueam. Mighty Musqueam. Maybe we'll go have a look down there. Check out the water levels today. I believe the bears are pretty much all hibernated by now. It's been very quiet. If they're not hibernated, they are very close to their dens. We are at Temuska Beach. Let's go have a look down here. It almost looks gray. Little shot of gray there. Come on, puppy. Come on. Come on, puppy. Come here, puppy. Come here. Just got a drink of water. Come on, puppy. We're at the Musco River. Look at this, how gray it is down here. And light up there. Come on, puppy. Leaves are all gone. We're looking downstream towards Old Fort Nelson. Upstream, Musco Bridge. Water's very low today. Temperature's plus 13. Here comes the little hound dog. Where is he? There he is. Come on, puppy. Have a drink. Nice, puppy. You want to have a drink of water? Come on. Loves it down here. Loves it down here. Puppy. Okay, have a good day, everyone. Ciao.